In this video, we will be multiplying two binomials using algebra tiles. In order to understand the multiplication of two binomials using algebra tiles, we must first review some operation basics. The zero pair. X squared plus a negative x squared is 0. X plus a negative x equals 0. An x plus a negative x oriented vertically is 0. A 1 tile plus a negative 1 tile is 0. Here's an example. 2x squared plus x plus 2 plus negative 2x squared subtract x subtract 2. Here's 2x squared plus x plus 2. Here's negative 2x squared subtract x minus 2. We have two zero pairs for the x squared tiles. We have one zero pair for the x tiles. And we have two zero pairs for the 1 tiles. Our answer here is 0. So 2x squared plus x plus 2 plus negative 2x squared subtract x subtract 2 is 0. Multiplication using algebra tiles goes like this. X times x equals x squared. Negative x times negative x also equals x squared. In the first two cases, the signs are the same. Here's the third case where the signs are different. X times negative x equals negative x squared. X times 1 equals x. Negative x times negative 1 also equals x because the signs are the same. Negative x, negative 1. X times negative 1 equals negative x. Signs are different. And negative x times 1 also equals negative x. Once again, the signs are different. 1 times 1 equals 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 also equals 1. The signs are the same. And 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. The signs are different. Let's multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1 using algebra tiles. Here's our t-square. Along the top is our first binomial, x plus 2. Along the side is our second binomial, x plus 1. X times x, of course, gives us x squared. X times the 1 tile gives us x. X times the second 1 tile gives us another x. The 1 tile times the x tile gives us an x on bottom. And then a 1 times a 1 gives us another 1. This 1 tile times this 1 tile is another 1. Of course, within inside the working area of our t-square, we have one x squared tile, 3 x tiles, and 2 1 tiles. So the product x plus 2 times x plus 1 is x squared plus 3x plus 2 using algebra tiles. Here's another example. Multiply x subtract 2 times x plus 1 using algebra tiles. We start with our t-square. Along the top is our first binomial, x subtract 2. Along the side is our second binomial, x plus 1. We know that x times x gives us x squared. We know that x times negative 1 gives us a negative x. This x times a negative 1 gives us another negative x. The 1 tile times the x tile gives us an x. The 1 tile times the negative 1 tile gives us a negative 1. And the other 1 tile times the negative 1 tile gives us another negative 1. So within the working area of our t-square, we get one x squared tile, a zero pair with an x and a negative x, and then we have one negative x tile. The zero pair, of course, is a zero pair. It disappears. And we have two negative 1 tiles. So our final product, x subtract 2 times x plus 1, equals x squared subtract x subtract 2 using algebra tiles. Please proceed to the next video in this lesson, and thank you for viewing.